Okay, so there's my soup. I used all the veggies that I had in my fridge. Can you bring it closer to me? I all the veggies I have in my, so this is kind of like a low, very low carb, okay? And I have radishes here, onions, celery, carrots, some, all the green things here. These are herbs from my garden. They're all fresh herbs. And then I sauteed an onion and chicken, just a small amount of chicken just to add flavor. So how am I gonna do this? I want it to come with okay, so that's for me. And okay, let me taste it. It actually tastes very good. I put a lot of spices here because it did kind of take a lot to get it to work, but there it is. It's just designed to be low carb, but it does the job. Here's the chicken somewhere.